Welcome back to PianoTurtle. I hope you're doing well. Last week I did not upload videos on Ultimate Challenge or my story because I've been up to a few things. But before I tell you what they are, I would like to give a shout out to my copyist, composer, friend. Yep, Ilkay Bora. You are the most professional engraver, composer that I've worked with. And you're also really, really fast. What I have in my hand is the Mendelssohn Piano Concerto. We've proofread it and we got it done. He engraved it in just 1 week. Less than, actually. I've learned a lot. I did not realize that editing, takes such a long time. Please check out his channel. Link down below. I also want to give a shout out to Sueanne Metz. She introduced me to Bora. Yes, without the two of you, this project would not be done. Because originally I just wanted to perform them for the channel. I also want to give a shout out to a very special friend that convinced me to write these down in the first place. He wished to be anonymous, but you know who you are. And I especially want to thank you very much for not letting me get away with it. I want to tell you also that I have been a little busy outside of piano. Take a look at this guy. He is really big. And I got started on him a couple of weeks ago, so and time flies when I'm sculpting. It really does. But I enjoy it very much. Just wait until you see the finished product. It's gonna look really, really cool. Anyway, a few of you have asked me, have I written this concerto? Have I written that concerto? I have 8 that I have written. Actually, one of the 8 is not written yet, but I've already figured it out in my mind. So I thought I'd just tell you what they are. The first one is Mendelssohn, Piano Concerto No. 1. The second one is Saint-Saëns Introduction and Rondo Capriccioso. I heard that one on the radio, actually, and I fell in love with that piece. It's so beautiful. Immediately wished to play it on the piano, so I wrote a transcription for that. Then I have the Rachmaninoff Paganini, right? You guys caught a snippet of that, variations 1 through 6. All right, so that's number 3. Rachmaninoff 2 is after that one. Yes. And then number 5, Ravel's Left-Hand Piano Concerto, written for 2 hands now. And number 6 is Tchaikovsky Piano Concerto No. 1, all 3 movements. And then Rachmaninoff Piano Concerto No. 3 is number 7, okay? And number 8, that's the one I have not written. It is the Brahms Piano Concerto No. 1. All right, so please comment down below what you think of the release schedule. And if there's any other piano concertos that you want me to take a look at, no promises here, take a look at, please also share in the comment below. So, and also to my patrons, thank you so much for supporting this channel. I'm not the world's fastest learner. I like to take my time and make sure everything's, correct. Nor am I the most accurate performer. I miss notes all over the place, but I really love to explore musicality as much as I can. So you have to be patient with a video release. There might be a few weeks. I can just tell you right now that I might not upload, okay? With that said, if you enjoy my content, please subscribe, share with people, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.